Welcome to Ripcaster. My name is John Nelson and this is a quick unboxing video of the new Karousel bearing for the Linn Sondek LP12 turntable. Okay, so let's have a look at what's in the box. This is how it arrives at the dealer. This is a dealer fitted upgrade and it comes as a complete kit. New inner platter. It sits inside the bearing. Okay, so here we've got all the components laid out. We've got the actual main bearing here with an oil cap on. We've got the retaining locking nut that goes on the top. New set of oil for the bearing. A complete set of suspension parts, springs, bushes, washers and locking nuts. We've got various set screws and screws here with some washers. We've got a new earthing strap and we've got a new P-clip, and then obviously back here we've got the new inner platter. So this is how the actual bearing fits in the sub-chassis. I've got a magic sub-chassis here. This is where the bearing fits. Go through the centre, locates on those holes, and then the retaining nut is screwed down, torqued down to a specific setting, which holds the bearing in place in the sub-chassis. And then the inner platter will obviously go with the lubrication in here. I hope you found that interesting. Please do get in contact with us if you'd like to discuss upgrading your deck or to arrange a demonstration to hear between the difference between the Karousel and the previous generation bearings. Thanks for watching.